Back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, my people. You don't know it's a boy Jamaica Wildlife, so welcome back to your channel, I should say. Today we're there upon our next adventure. I'm bridging them in the background. Two more are forward. We walk to a location right now. We want to go catch some fish and see how well it can turn out. Yeah man, so as I say, it's just normal. We'll be streaming live on TikTok as well, so check the description for my TikTok link in case you don't know what my TikTok is. You can catch me there on some little live streams when I'm not really doing a YouTube video. But right now we're up on the way, my people. I'm gonna catch some fish. It's a long way still, but let's see if it's worth it. New location, so stick and stay. Hopefully this is a catch and cook. Alright? I'm going to dig some worm, not true?
Worm for weeks. Yeah.
And back in the worm one. Yeah, my people say I don't know right now. We reach our location and I'm telling about it. See it there?
One on a knife.
Decent pan, we are going fishing to the new spot and everything. So right now we are going to get geared up and show it online while streaming on TikTok. You don't know. So if you want to come watch it real time, next time follow TikTok. You understand what I say? Yeah man, we'll see what I go on. Alright, look now, yeah man, then there, you see it, nice and sweet, right? Yeah man, good morning again everyone, we're back. Alright guys, so there we go, nice looking one for morning to start off. Yes, nice looking one this. Yeah guys. Oh yeah! Yes! Yes! Good teeth! Ease yourself. Kuyasa? Alright my people, so wanna see what I go on? Yes, you don't feel bad for the red there, tall boy.
This I'm gonna put the fish in the water.
This man come here and catch bass already? What you saying here? One boo bass? Mr. Boo Bass. Hold him up there. Alright my people, so see what I go on here? Yeah man, one more that, you know what I mean? Circle. Yeah man. Fisherman, goal, you know? Watch it.
Way big boy.
We no try learn. You see it? You know long me tell you say just relax a little bit, you know. Cause me seen they come. Oi. Too late. No bother flick. You know better flick up and go on so. And look where you catch him. Outside I'm out in a bro. And I'm chin. Look here. You know if fish have chin and I'm chin this I catch him. I broke his neck. Me no business if fish have neck or what. See my guys, look on that. Nice. Can't come in the camera. Swing him over here so. Show me viewers them what go on. See them people? I don't know what I go on. One more that. Camera near and still, but see it there. Nice. What you do? What you do, man? What you do? Me I say what you do? You don't know you know if you ramp with me line. You don't know that. Eh? You see you put yourself in that trouble now. You put yourself in a trouble now. Look what you do, man. I can't give you a chance, you know? I cannot give you a chance because you've been warned. You have been warned. I told you not to come up out the water flipping fins at me, and now look at you now. Look at you now. You cannot. I can't give you. No, I don't want to hear that. I want to hear that. Abizo, I don't want to hear that. There's no chance. There's no chance whatsoever. You will get. No, my friend. I am sorry. That is it for you. Come. Come now. Stay. Now you're on land. Right? Yes. Look. Hold on. Look on this. Look on this. So my virgin just take up. Look on this. So my virgin just take up. Guys, you know, see. Oh my God! Watch ya! A ball near a ball out, you know? A ball near a ball out, say yes, you know? Guys, look ya.
Rasta big and him stay.
Yeah, but this one is big and pretty. You see, same thing I'm telling you about my people. We have to believe. We have to have strong faith and mind. We have to believe. Look on the size of him. Yeah? See there, my people. Man himself over there saying, man, you don't know, man. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so see him there, my people. Yeah man, you don't know I'm bridging over there, so take up that one here. More than a handful. Look the man. Yeah? Tell us a fish there guys. Fish is here man. Just one stick and stay. Yeah guys. Yo, do not take that fish there off fire line. Same thing when you say about it, the water you dirty it up. Guys, look here. No sir, can't hold him. Yo, what kind of this a fish in a pan? Guys, I see him pan this one yesterday.
This not big like it first one I make it. Most of them 4 pounds, this about 2.5 pounds.
Yo!
2.5 pounds.
Jesus Christ!
I wonder your fish and I wonder you seal me off.
Yo! Yo, what a fish, man, you? Jaja God! Turn him around sideways. Yo, watch your man?
I can't you see the fish.
Yes. And plus, see two other nice one I see him with. You got to on fire to the man this morning.
Flame.
Watch out, sir. You catch that, Malik?
Catch everything. I did.
Boy, my people, queer. Yo, queer. Look where you itch him. Jesus, please. Guys, my tell you some lovely fish in our place, but you just have to be patient. Yeah man, see a little place over there man, but the water deep. Guys, right now Jackie James reached on the fan side, you know. I don't know when Jackie James pull up cooking and go on, not true. See it there? And on this side today man, throw back them there, then go fry them dry. Father God. Look on the side the way man, my friend man. Yeah, my people, so I go on there and next day and we're there clean off the fish them and now for do his team. I mean, Jackie James the same one there, man.
Nah, man.
No jokes. So I go on there. Remember to follow up him. Tik Tok. Yeah, my people, we're there do a thing or two, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, so see it there. Get them clean up and now and make them see what I go on, yeah? Alright, my people, so this is what I go on, you know. Yes, our time for we deal with what we do. The fish them scale off and clean up, you know. See them there, so they look nice with the okra and this and that and file paper. So everything presents itself right so. Yeah man, you don't know a thing already, you know. Already ready right now. Yeah man, Jackie James that's the same way.
Yeah man.
Build up a fire right, that's the same way. You see me? Yeah, see jerk pan man. So watch this now. Yeah, gentle people, see what I'm going on. You don't know we have everything. So Jackie just there go and prep what going. You go from you know if it's steam fish, file paper them at least. You know say alright, these things are actually what we need. The ingredients, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Some girl who can't steam fish, you need to check this.
Can't cook you there, man.
My people in a joke man, you know see me I know. Like me say, we just go and prep everything so in time all of this done, Jackie James done deal with him thing, you know that come down already, we just get to the next part, right? Yeah. Yeah, I smell good already, you know. The colors, okra, cabbage, pepper, onion, carrot. Watch there. Fish there for your sauce season up same way. I'm go and put little score on the inside right there, so. Yeah man. Yeah my people man, everything up and running man. Just believe they have a nice time with the same pan fish them. Yeah man. Serious, you know? Yeah. Yeah man, don't know we have a good old biscuit over here the same way. See butter we have this the same way, you know what I mean?
That is it. You know?
Alright my people, so you see what I'm going. Alright, show it up on the road right now. So
That is it.
that really are going on now my people say, you know what I mean? Steam down you know on a bag of thing. Yeah my people, you don't know what going on you know. Fish ready. So you see what going on now? Don't know if to take out for Mummy Elaine first.
What about you, Charlie? Hey, hey!
Yeah my people, I there with them but try a thing or two man, you know? It's chop on the road man, Jackie James deal with it. I go link them up and I make Mummy Elaine get fair and then we dig in it and see much o'clock a strike. You know what I mean? So watch what I go on now. Boy my people see them here you know. Yeah. I don't know. So, Mommy, what you say?
Fish for days.
Betty, you want? Alright, so fish there. What shovel they run? Love it for our camera. Alright, guys, so Mommy there, so you don't know, Mommy have to get fair when I know on a bag of things. So I can see what I go on now. Yes, my people, yeah. Moment of truth, you know? Up now for Mummy Elaine one. Look like you want to dry outside though. Watch out, or maybe not. Come here. Let me see what I go on here, so. Mommy, you go on one fork and you test it and tell me what I go on, right? Alright, so watch this now. No, that can't do. Alright. Mommy, I dig into it for your first bite and see what I go on. Come go fast. Test it, Mommy. Test it, make me see what I go on. But you see what it tastes? Taste the vegetable, Mommy, and tell me how the vegetable tastes. I like it, fullings then. You good? Alright, my people. So right now, I go open mine, see what I go on inside, right? You understand? Yeah, man, and see what really I go on. My people, so if you want to want get into it, me excited. Watch out. Come close, yes or no? Come close now. Watch it, my people. So I have two little one in a mine, you know what I mean? So I go get into it right now and see what really I go on. Back off and make me catch you and tell the people how Jackie James go on. Can't taste the spice in the biscuit already. See okra. Yeah man. Boy my people. Truly I best enough. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Okay, man. Look there. You see that? My people, down to another end of a wonderful video. Hope you guys like this one. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Walk good. Catch you in the next video. Peace out. God bless. And one love. Big up on yourself, my people. Yeah? Yeah, man. Mummy Elaine already get fair one same way. So, watch yourself. Tasty vegetable. Tell me if you're ready. That I want to know. My God, not a plant, my boss. What happened to so Adams? The cabbage, tasty cabbage if you're ready. That's what I want to know. Hey, fuck. Cabbage cook through soft?
Come on, guys, man.
Alright. That man. That. Watch it. Good
I'm
colors. Come go fast. Where's the chillum? How you going?
Yes, man.
You going good? I lie?